Good morning, guys. The book's shut off, but we got to start all back over again. I just want to say good morning, guys. I love you and I miss you so much. I hope everybody had a great night's sleep last night. I just want to give a special shout out to Cadence for such a wonderful phone call yesterday. I really enjoyed talking to you. I want all of you to call me anytime you feel like it and let me hear your voices. And also, don't forget to send me pictures of the great things you're doing at home. Um, our question of today is, what can you and your parent build together? So, you remember we talked about the building study, where buildings can be all shapes and sizes. You can have round buildings, square buildings, rectangle buildings, and look, trapezoid buildings. You remember that, Jaden? You always said, a trapezoid. Okay, well, I want you to build me a building with your parent and let me see what it looks like. Also, I want you to draw me a picture of what you think your building would look like. Okay, let's do our I love you ritual for today. Georgie Porgy, Pudding and Pie, gave his friends a big high five. With his friend he loved to play, a gift of a smile he gave each day. Let's do it again. Georgie Porgy, Pudding Pie, gave his friends what? A big high five. With his friend he loved to play, a gift of a smile he gave each day. Great job, guys. I knew you could do it. Okay, our story for today is The Busy Building Book. And it was written by Sue Tarski. So here we go. Ready, set. Before construction can start, the site is boarded off to keep pedestrians out. Do you know what pedestrians is? Pedestrians are people that's walking so they can't go inside so that they won't get hurt. They want to keep the pedestrians safe. So the site engineer checks the measurements against the building plans. The construction cabin goes up, working machines arrive, building materials are delivered, and the workers in their helmets move in. Excavate. Workers dig a big hole for the foundation or basement of the building. The foundation will provide a stable support for the entire building. The bottom line, brr, slam, groom, slam. Mobile cranes lower steel rods into the ground. These rods will be filled with cement. They will help support the foundation from underneath. Cement mixers churn and turn. Going up. After the foundation is done, workers build scaffolding. The scaffolding is a temporary platform for workers to stand on or sit on when they work high up. Pedestrians stand and watch. Higher. Workers take down the scaffolding as the building skeleton goes up. The skeleton is made from steel girders, concrete pillars, and timber joists, and is reinforced with metal rivets and steel. They're building a big building, aren't they? What kind of building do you think this is going to be? Don't look down. The skeleton is finished. This is the top floor of the building. Now the workers will start to build outside walls. For this stage of construction, the workers install a temporary elevator and set up ladders so they can go from one level to another. Floors down, ceilings up. The workers make floors and ceilings. They spread cement with steel towards with steel trowels over a base of sand and concrete. The outside of the building is almost finished. Tower cranes hoist window frames into place. Workers unroll telephone, electric, and computer cables. They do a lot, don't they? Saw, hammer, and drill. When the wiring is completed, the electricity can go on. Workers put up wooden struts and nail sheets of plasterboard to them. Now there are walls and rooms. Room at the top. Pipes are installed that will allow the central air and running water. Then doors, carpets, and ceiling panels are put in, and bathroom fixtures too. Done. The building is finished. It's open day and the owners give speeches while the office staff listen. They are ready to start working in their new building. Hooray! And then they welcome everybody to come in to see what the inside looks like. Wow. And that's the end. Okay, guys, I have one more thing I want you to do for me today. An activity where you or your sibling or your friends, anybody that you be around today, I want you to look at the environmental print in your surroundings, and I want you to point out the letters in that environmental print. If you ride by a McDonald's, you will say, McDonald's, it starts with the M. And you name some of the other letters that's in McDonald's. Burger King, or at home, if you see a flower and it says flower, I want you to point out those letters and send me your responses. I love you guys. I want you to call me anytime you need me or anytime you want to talk. I miss you. Bye.